Hello. In this session, we're going to look at the way that you can record how much of a task you have completed in a Microsoft project. It's known as tracking. So what you do is you track your progress against the original planned progress. When you look at your Microsoft project file, you have a start and finish date. That start and finish date is known behind the scenes really as your planned start and finish date. In the database, it is just start and finish because we also have an actual start and an actual finish that you can potentially report against if needed. So what we're going to do is, to do this, we can actually look at this in several ways. Now, first of all, in our task, we can just grab that. So we're going to be looking here at our tracking. And you'll see here in the task ribbon, we've actually got some buttons that are relating to percentages. There is also a button that allows us to mark on track. Now, this depends on the sort of project you're on. If it's a more detailed project, you probably want to go through it task by task to ensure that you actually know each one. If it's something that you can just say, yeah, I've done everything today, I don't need to worry, then you can go for this mark on track button. So first of all, we are going to go to here. Now, it is starting on the 2nd of June. When we go into project and project information, or on the right hand side, there is a status date. So you can actually change this date, which is the date that you are marking progress to. So I'm going to mark progress to the 7th of June. So in here, this allows me update project again to just say everything that should be done has been done. So set 0 or 100% to 100% complete only. And you can reschedule work that hasn't been done. That's the subject of my video next time. So in here, that has actually marked all these as being completed because they are all before that date. So that's a quick way of doing it if you are sure. However, in some projects, you probably want to make it a little bit more detailed. And the way that we recommend is that you go into your view table, tracking table. Now in here, you can actually see that there is a lot of detail in here regarding how much has been done. Now, when you go in and you mark a task as complete, then it just says, yes, I have done it. So I'm going to stop recording now, Michael. I'm going to start again because I feel that I want to just take it all back to the beginning and start again. So I'm going to stop recording and start, and then maybe you can pick the best bits.